2, 1. My name is Travis May. Me and my wife, Alissa May, own the Dog Penn here at 2614 Penn Ave in the Strip District. We are an off-leash dog park and bar. So we offer a safe environment for people to bring their dogs down here. You can come down after work, meet your friends, grab a drink. We got happy hour during the week. We always do events, so we do a lot of charity events, different adoption events, try to help out different pups in the community. Plus, we do have a full bar. We have Prosecco on tap. You can get a martini. You can hang out on the patio with your pup and just have a chill day here. We actually opened up October 20th of last year. So it was kind of a hard opening because we opened an outside concept going into one of the worst winters in Pittsburgh in 10 years. So it definitely had its struggles, but it kind of helped us to grow to this point where now we are ready to go into summer. We do have over 1,700 dogs registered in our system. So that doesn't mean at any point 1,700 dogs are going to be here, but any of those dogs on any given day can come in. We are doing reservation time slots on the weekends because Saturdays and Sundays are our busiest days, and we do cap the yard at about 35 dogs. We have 189 person capacity, so we'll keep letting people in, or if dogs want to be in here on leash, we're okay with that. It's the safety of the dogs outside. We try to limit that number. Me and my wife have been in the service industry for probably 20 plus years. And we'd always talked about opening a bar. But instead of just owning a bar, creating a bar that makes a difference. Like I said, we work with Paws Across Pittsburgh. We have a TV that literally just rotates adoptable dogs in the area. That gets updated every 2 weeks. So we're doing different rescue events, raising money for companies like the Izzy Fund, who helps out with dogs that can't pay for their medical bills. So it's on top of just running a bar, we're trying to create a place that's going to give back to the community as much as we can.